Right, that is more than enough for now. Look, that's everything back together. Just want to try to get a confirmed torque specification on that fuel pump. I bought this Haynes manual. I've also got the online version. It's really been awesome. The amount of stuff that's in this manual is good. You know, you can watch a lot of YouTube videos, and one of the things that you can see is that people did not buy the manual. The swirl valves are in there. Oh, there you go. Those little buttons. So I've put them in with, someone said use 3-bond silicon. So that's in there with the 3-bond silicon. So all I have to do now is just check the torque on the fuel pump nut, engine mount, timing cover, airbox, coolant, battery, and then that's probably going to go. Haha, yeah, still got heaps of battery, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, thanks heaps for watching. It's been a great day. I think that was about 6 hours. I think I started about 12 o'clock, so I'm pretty pleased with that.